Imagine being on the rooftop of the world, surrounded by the majestic Himalayas, with the air so thin that every breath is a struggle. This is the world of high-altitude adaptation, where the human body is pushed to its limits. As we delve into the mysteries of this realm, we'll uncover the incredible physiological changes that occur when we ascend to dizzying heights. But first, let's ask ourselves a question: what is it about high altitudes that poses such a significant challenge to human physiology? The answer lies in the very fabric of our atmosphere. At sea level, the air pressure is around 1013 millibars, but as we climb higher, the pressure decreases, and the oxygen levels in the air drop dramatically. This means that our bodies have to work harder to extract the same amount of oxygen from the air, a process that can lead to a range of symptoms, from mild headaches to life-threatening altitude sickness. But why do some people adapt to high altitudes more easily than others? Is it simply a matter of physical conditioning, or is there something more complex at play? To answer this question, we need to take a journey into the world of genetics and epigenetics, where the intricate dance between our DNA and the environment determines our ability to thrive in extreme conditions. One of the key players in this story is a gene called EPAS1, which codes for a protein that helps our bodies respond to low oxygen levels. In people who live at high altitudes, such as the Tibetans and the Andeans, this gene has undergone significant changes, allowing them to adapt more efficiently to the low oxygen environment. But how does this work, exactly? When we're exposed to high altitudes, our bodies produce more red blood cells to compensate for the lack of oxygen. This process is triggered by the release of a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. In people with the adapted EPAS1 gene, this process is more efficient, allowing them to produce more red blood cells and transport oxygen more effectively to their muscles and organs. But high-altitude adaptation is not just about genetics, it's also about the complex interplay between our physiology and the environment. When we're exposed to high altitudes, our bodies undergo a range of changes, from increased heart rate and blood pressure to changes in our metabolism and cognitive function. These changes are mediated by a range of physiological systems, including the nervous system, the cardiovascular system, and the immune system. As we explore the world of high-altitude adaptation, we'll discover the intricate mechanisms that govern these changes, and how they allow us to thrive in environments that would be hostile to people who are not adapted. But what about the limits of human adaptation? Can we adapt to any altitude, or are there limits to our ability to thrive in extreme environments? The answer to this question lies in the world of extreme physiology, where athletes and adventurers push their bodies to the limit in pursuit of new records and discoveries. One of the most extreme examples of high-altitude adaptation is the story of the climbers who attempt to summit Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. At an altitude of over 8,800 meters, the air is so thin that even the most experienced climbers struggle to breathe, and the risk of altitude sickness is ever present. Yet, despite these challenges, many climbers successfully reach the summit, a testament to the incredible adaptability of the human body. But what about the long-term effects of high-altitude exposure? Can our bodies adapt to high altitudes indefinitely, or are there risks associated with prolonged exposure to low oxygen levels? The answer to this question lies in the world of epidemiology, where researchers study the health effects of high-altitude exposure in populations that live at high elevations. One of the most significant risks associated with high-altitude exposure is the development of chronic mountain sickness, a condition that occurs when the body is unable to adapt to the low oxygen environment. This condition can lead to a range of symptoms, from fatigue and headaches to more serious problems, such as heart disease and stroke. But despite these risks, many people thrive at high altitudes, and the benefits of high-altitude exposure are numerous. From improved cardiovascular health to increased cognitive function, the effects of high-altitude adaptation are complex and multifaceted. As we conclude our journey into the world of high-altitude adaptation, we are left with a profound appreciation for the incredible adaptability of the human body. From the molecular mechanisms that govern our response to low oxygen levels to the complex interplay between our physiology and the environment, the story of high-altitude adaptation is a testament to the incredible resilience and flexibility of human physiology. So the next time you're hiking in the mountains, or simply enjoying the view from a high-altitude vantage point, remember the incredible physiological changes that are occurring within your body, allowing you to thrive in environments that would be hostile to people who are not adapted. It's a truly remarkable story, one that highlights the incredible potential of the human body to adapt, to overcome, and to thrive in even the most extreme environments.